Now, if I get proved wrong, oh well. But I have faith that nothing is gonna come out. I'm not concerned, so it's time to get this wash popping, honey. Okay. Oh, it feels so good to be back. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel herbn.locs. It is your girl Caira, and today is a great day because you know what it is? Today is my first wash day. It's wash day. I am hype. And remember, if anybody tells you not to wash your hair when you get your starter locks, run away from them. Run away. You should wash your hair, okay? So if you are new here, welcome. It's great to have you. And if you are a returning subscriber or just viewer, whatever, you should subscribe though. Welcome back. Appreciate you guys, love you guys, and I am excited to share this journey with you all. It's gonna be amazing, it's gonna be fun, and I'm gonna keep you guys in the loop. What we're gonna do first is I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be using. Actually, I think I'm gonna give you guys a little 360 of my hair first because I want you guys to see it before the wash and after the wash. So let's do that first. When I started my locks, I showed you guys a black soap that I was using, but to be honest, I feel like it really just didn't get my scalp clean, like clean enough. Like, it's not to say that my scalp is dirty, but you know, like when you do a little itch and then you know you be seeing little stuff in your fingernails. Don't act like y'all don't know. You know, it's time for a wash. So I just feel like that black soap really did not get my scalp as clean as I wanted it to. So I did a little bit of research on some products, you guys, and I'm not going to talk a whole lot about them, but this is the first time that I've ever used this brand, and apparently this is a really, really good brand. This is the Taliah, I don't know if it's Waajid, I'm going to say Waajid. I'm assuming Taliah Waajid. This is part of the Black Earth collection. This is the Total Body Black Earth shampoo, but it's also a 2-in-1 because you can use it on your body. So this cleans and conditions, restores moisture to hair, hydrates and softens, and it has black seed extract in it. And all their products are natural products, and this is really good for normal to dry, damaged, or over processed hair. And this has some pretty good stuff in here. Water is the main ingredient. I don't see no alcohol in here. Olive oil, vitamin E. Black. Okay, so let me not get too into this. So yeah, we're gonna try this shampoo for the first time, but I was reading some like lock forums or blog posts, and a lot of people, well, I saw this a few times for this shampoo, so we're gonna try it out. And then this is the big dog. This is, okay you guys, so you know how my very last video that I posted 5 days ago, I was talking about how I don't use locking gels or creams, but I was like, if I can find like, you know, a nice natural organic one, whatever, then I would try it. But then I was like, for all that, I can just make my own flaxseed or aloe gel. But I don't really want to do that. I'm not in the mood. Same brand. This is the Tight Hold. It says defines natural curls and then starts/holds locks. I'm looking like I can't see because this flash is tearing my eyeballs up, so now I got like that little white dot blurring my vision. Firm hold, no flaking, with rosemary and nettle. And this is also a natural product as well. This has no alcohol, so there's no flaking, stops frizz longer, holds styles longer. Then it has on here directions for locks, and this is also part of the Black Earth product collection. I didn't even smell these. This one was, I don't know about everywhere, but this was $8.59 from the beauty supply store, and this was also $8.59 from the beauty supply store. Let me take a little whiff here. You know what this smells like? It smells just like the blue hair grease. Yeah, it smells like the blue hair grease. So let's just take a little see what it. That wasn't what I was expecting. It's kind of like a jelly almost texture, like not really jelly, but oh okay, it's nice and smooth. Oh, I'm gonna like this. I'm so excited for this first retwist because I feel like the first retwist is like you really feel like you got locks. You feel locked and mature. It's like not really, but everything just comes together after those first few retwists, and it's like becomes like more real. So yeah, whatever. I'm really excited. This smells really good. It almost smells like the blue hair grease as well, but like a little bit sweeter. It smells really good. And then also for backup, I probably won't use this, but I got the Dr. Bronner's Hemp Baby Unscented soap, and I was gonna get the peppermint one, but I decided to just get this one so that I can use it completely all over my body. The peppermint I use all over my body, but I want to be able to, you know, use this on my lady parts, okay? So I may use this as well on my hair, but that's it. So, oh, I feel like my hair is, I don't want to say too much because I do want to give you guys like a month update next week, but I feel like my hair was just so ready to be back in locks, and I feel like, to put it short, I'm not concerned at all about this first wash, about anything coming out. I'm literally not concerned one bit. Like, I'm not putting it into a hair ties. I'm not putting on no stocking cap. I'm not doing any of that. I'm just gonna go wash my hair because I know for a fact that my twists are not coming out. There's not one doubt in my mind about that. I don't think one of them is gonna unravel at all. My hair gets very, very tangled extremely easily, so there is no doubt in my mind that these, you know, are not going to stay in. And I haven't really been messing with them at all. So I've just been spraying my aloe juice and coconut water and my rose water, and then one day I use tea tree oil and water, a mixture of that. So that's all I've been using on my hair pretty much almost every day of the week, but I skip a day here and there and don't put anything on it. But these babies, I feel like they were ready to be back logged. Like, I just feel like my hair was not playing. So I haven't really been touching on it or anything like that, but I'm just gonna show you guys what my root and like the tension, I guess. So I'm just gonna pick a random one here. So we're gonna pick this one. Oops. We're gonna pick this one, and I just wanna show you guys like how, like, I am really pulling. Like, I'm really pulling here, and it's not coming out. Ouch. Pull a little hard. Nothing's coming out. Like, even for the ends though, I just feel like with how tangly my hair is, I'm not concerned. Now, if I get proved wrong, oh well. But I have faith that nothing is gonna come out. I'm not concerned. So it's time to get this wash popping, honey. Okay. Oh, it feels so good to be back. I can't wait to get to where I just was. All right. I feel like I talked more than what I thought I was gonna talk, so let me hurry up. I'm gonna go wash my hair and then I'll be back so we can do this retwist. I haven't looked at my hair quite yet. It's nice and washed. Why do I hear shampoo? Okay, so I think I got the shampoo out. It was only like this little section right here. So, yeah. So I wasn't really gentle. And that's not to say that, you know, if you're just now starting your locks, that you shouldn't be gentle. I just, like I had explained before I started washing my hair, I just felt like I didn't really need to be extra cautious just because of the state of my hair and me just knowing my hair. So I didn't think anything was gonna come out. So I just washed. Of course, I wasn't like crazy or nothing, but I washed like I wasn't. Anyway, so I had looked at them when I was in the shower, and for a second I started to get, you know, a little pinch of emotional because it really took me back, and I just was like, oh my gosh, like, it reminded me of my locks. So yeah, I guess we're gonna see what's going on here. Guys ready? I didn't wash it with this ponytail holder. I just put it in there when I was finishing up my shower so it wasn't like dripping over as I was getting down or bending down. Okay, see? Everything looks like it's all in order. Okay. Oh my goodness. I just went ahead and I sprayed my hair with this aloe juice and coconut water mixture that I had made. and I just lightly sprayed. And then I'm also, why is it like, I feel like it's leaking. I'm also gonna be, I don't know why I'm smiling. Like I just got some like sneaky good news or something. Like I don't know why I'm over here cheesing like this, but anyway, I also have my Cannabis Hemp and Black Castor oil, and this has biotin and aloe in it, and I'm just gonna put this on my roots. I'm not gonna do too much, just a little bit. I already did it actually. I did another take of this part before this, but the lighting, it was looking real bad, real rough, so I redid it. But that's why my hands look like this. Sorry, I did it, but I really didn't use a lot at all. Oh, I can just insert that. But yeah. Okay, so I just got this much. Time for this retwist. Let's hope that I didn't forget how to do this. I know I didn't forget how to retwist, but I know last time I did not start from the very beginning. I started doing my own locks when I was around 5 months, I believe. It was either 4 or 5 months. No, it was 5 months. And yeah, they were already, you know, kind of trained a little bit by that point. So this time I'm doing it from the beginning, and that's what I'm gonna do. So I got my clips, clean, and that's it. I got one little stinking hair tie. I got more somewhere, but this is what I have to do. So that's it. Yeah, I'm gonna turn around. Oh wow, everything's so soft. This is like, oh man, okay, I got this. It's all just so soft and dainty, like, I got this. I'm just going to take my folding cream stuff, and I'm just going to just put some on my hand, like the professionals be doing sometimes. It's interesting because things aren't, you know, like really established yet, so they're, you know, intertwining with other ones, and at this point I'm just gonna make a break, and wherever these hairs go is where they go. Here we go. It didn't take much. Is burning already. Got a little trouble here with this. Not for long. I know better. Oh, y'all. Oh, I knew better. I should have did that. Oh my gosh, that was a lot. It didn't hurt. I just know better. Don't do that, y'all. Where I had ripped over here, I was spot on. So I'm not even mad no more. It needed to happen. Oh wow, we just got a lot going on here. I'm gonna skip out on that one. Don't even get frustrated. There's no point. Don't even get frustrated. You need to be more gentle though. I should have got some scissors for this or something, because they're too immature for me to be pulling like that. I need to get some scissors. I'm gonna have to just, because somehow some of them are just like really intertwined, and when I pull the hair out, it shrinks up the whole thing, and then when you smooth it back out, the hair, or the, you know, like the twist is frizzy. Like, I'm just, relax, you just started, you might as well shut the hell up. If I had a bunch of small locks. Ah. It literally does not matter that I'm cutting these hairs because they're just gonna get wrapped around the lock anyway. Now I don't palm roll all the way down my locks. Like my last set I didn't, and I don't plan on doing that this time either. The only reason why you see me palm rolling down, you know, the length of my locks is because they're still brand new and they need to be palm rolled down for a little bit at least. I mean, they don't need to, but I want them to be just for a little bit. It's just a trio of bullshit over here, I can already tell. Y'all, look at these two right here. Look at them. Yeah, because when you pull, like if I was to pull this apart, these would just shrivel up because you're pulling a hair that's probably in the center, so it's just drawing the whole thing up. So instead of doing that nonsense, just look at this. I don't know why I didn't do it in the camera, but let's see what the back of my head looks like. I feel like I'm moving pretty fast. All I have left is this little bit right here. Everything else is done. I had to take some of them to the back because when I started my locks, I had too many to the front, to the side. So instead of me taking them out completely and repositioning them, I just kept telling myself that whenever I retwisted my hair, I was going to retwist them to the back. So I'm finally done. The only thing that was really a hassle was how stuck they were together. That shit was very annoying, but we got through it, and I'm pretty happy with my timing. It didn't take me long. I don't know how long it took me. I'd have to go back and look. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry it for a little bit, and that's all. This retwist is complete. Oh, well, I guess it's not complete, but